Did you know that your security camera can be smarter than you think? Let's dive into 5 things you didn't know about the Eufy Security EufyCam S3 Pro 4Cam Kit. Hi everyone, Brian here from the Inspect Aspect. Today we're exploring the revolutionary UFY Security EufyCam S3 Pro, a game-changing solution for home security. Let's uncover some fascinating insights. First up, let's talk about the MaxColor night vision. This feature allows the EufyCam S3 Pro to provide astonishing 4K video quality even in low-light conditions. Imagine having crisp, clear images without needing a spotlight. Next, the solar power capability. With the Solar Plus 2.0 technology, you can enjoy uninterrupted security throughout the year. You can either rely on its built-in panel or expand coverage with external panels. It's versatility at its best. Now let's discuss the radar-powered detection system. This dual motion detection combines radar and PIR to keep false alerts at bay. You'll only get notified when it's truly necessary, which means fewer distractions for you. An added bonus is the local storage capability. With 16 GB built-in and expandable up to 16 TB, you won't have to worry about monthly fees. Your privacy and data security are well taken care of with the Homebase S80. Lastly, it's compatible with major smart home systems like HomeKit and Alexa. Just a quick note, footage quality may drop to 1080p when using HomeKit, but it's still a great integration. In conclusion, the UFI Security EufyCam S3 Pro is an impressive choice if you prioritize both functionality and cost-effectiveness. While it stands out in many areas, it's crucial to consider if it fits your specific needs. As always, I recommend checking out user reviews and doing your own research to make an informed decision. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this review, please like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content.